Hello everyone, this is Nancy from Qingdao Electromechanical Technology. Today we are going to introduce to you a CNC door painting machine called YISH DPSM 2500A. This machine is specifically designed for double-sided painting of door panels and can achieve automated spraying. It features a 5X design, which allows for all-around painting of the door panels. Whether at the front or the side, a uniform painting effect can be achieved. Let's take a look at its operation process. First, place the door panel on the operating table, and then start the machine to begin spraying. Thanks to the advanced spraying head technology, the sprayed painting film is very delicate, ensuring the smoothness and gloss of the painted surface. At the same time, the machine is equipped with an intelligent control system. Customers can make adjustments according to different requirements to ensure consistent painting results each time. After the door panel is sprayed, it can be loaded and unloaded by workers, and then directly transferred to the drying room. After this process, the door panel can move on to the next stage, whether it's drying or quality inspection, to ensure that every door panel is qualified. The entire process is highly efficient and fast, improving production efficiency. As the customer's production can be tailored to meeting customer needs. When it comes to different production specifications required by customers, effective adjustments can be made. This YISH DPSM 2500E device is a very practical 5X painting machine. It is a good choice for users who produce a large number of door panels. That's all for today's introduction. Thank you, everyone. If you have any question and interests, welcome to talk with us.